What's up, money movers? You probably think you know Cowrywise, you just save, invest, basic stuff, right? Wrong. Cowrywise has leveled up and there's some absolute game changer features you're probably missing out on. We're talking about pro level stuff that will make your money work faster, smarter, and harder. Let's dive into these hidden gems. First off, let's talk about something incredibly vital for any savvy investor in 2025. That is the liquidity ratio. It is a brand new metric on Cowrywise and it's a genius. Your liquidity ratio tells you exactly how fast you can convert your investments back into cash without penalties or significant loss. In a volatile economy, knowing this is power. If your ratio is low, it means that most of your money is locked up long term. If your ratio is high, you're more agile. This helps you balance long-term growth with emergency assets. It's like knowing how much fuel is in your car. You want enough for a journey, but also enough in reserve for unexpected detours. This ratio helps you manage that crucial balance. Now, the next thing we have is what they call the stash account. Most people just see it as a temporary holding spot. That's a big mistake. Think of stash as your ultra-efficient, no-fee money transfer hub. Have money in one Cowrywise plan and need to move it to another? Use stash as a buffer zone to avoid bank transfer fees completely. It is seamless, instant, and keeps more money in your pocket. Imagine how much you save over a year just by routing internet transfers through stash. It adds up, trust me. And here's a game changer for anyone dealing with Nigerian stocks. T plus O stock settlement. Say goodbye to waiting days for your money after selling shares. Yes, you heard that right. If you sell a Nigerian stock on Cowrywise, your money can be available today. Not tomorrow, not in 2 days, today. This means incredible flexibility. Do you need urgent cash? Sell a portion of your stock portfolio and have the funds ready almost instantly. This is a massive leap for liquidity in the Nigerian market and Cowrywise at the forefront. So did you know about the liquidity ratio? Have you been using stash to dodge bank fees? And are you ready for T plus 0 stock settlements? These aren't just features, they're strategic tools to give you an edge. So which of these hidden features blew your mind? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this useful, smash that like button, subscribe for more money hacks, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay smart, stay rich.